Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your MacBook Air is set to the keyboard layout you expect. Open System Settings and go to Keyboard. Once done, enable the input menu in the menu bar so you can switch quickly if needed. Now focus on the keys. You will use Shift and the number row or Option depending on layout. This establishes the baseline so the actual typing action is immediate and predictable. Make small changes now to avoid confusion later. You next perform the specific keystroke for your layout. On a U.S. keyboard, press Shift+2 and you get an @ sign, if your Mac is set to U.K. layout, press Shift plus the quote key instead. This difference is why layout verification matters. For certain localized or international layouts, Option plus G produces the symbol. Make sure you press Shift or Option cleanly without holding extra modifiers. A quick tap gives a reliable result in any text field. You finish by testing the symbol in a text field or email. Once you see @ you're done. If it fails, open the menu bar input source and switch to the correct layout immediately, because misselection is the most common issue. Also check accessibility for sticky keys or any modifier remapping that could intercept Shift or Option. As a last resort, open the character viewer with Control-Command Space to insert an @ sign manually, and then fix the layout settings to prevent repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.